Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. Have some amazing Home Depot tool deals to share with you. Now, Home Depot has updated their holiday tool savings page, and for the last several years, they've had this promotion with the various brands they sell, DeWalt, Makita, Ryobi, Rigid, and Milwaukee, where you buy certain items and you get free tools, and this goes until the end of January, so you have lots of time to pick them up, but things do sell out. Sometimes they go back and forth, they're in stock, out of stock, and all that. I will have a link down below if you want to check out this page and everything that's available, and we'll do a quick look through it. I'm not sure how long they have done this, but the original post on my website that I update every year to, with the new information was originally created in 2018, and that's when I first started doing this. So they've been doing this promotion since at least 2018. So first up, we have the Milwaukee items, and some of these I posted as individual posts on the website, but I wanted to give you this page that's just a catch-all for all of them, so you can check it out on your own in case, I miss anything or whatever. So first up, for $1.99, you get one free tool with the 5 amp hour 2-pack with the charger. You've at $3.99, another one free tool. You get two 5 amp hour batteries, the drill and impact driver, and then the deal that comes with two tools is $4.99 and two select power tools and the 5 amp hour battery. Now if we click on that link for the 4-tool kit, you'll see it says 5 amp hour batteries. Those are definitely not 5 amp hour batteries, and that model number does not come with 5 amp hour batteries. So I'd imagine you're getting what's pictured, you're not getting the 5s. Hopefully they update things, get it all situated. Now here is the deal. Right now there's only two additional options. One with the sander, one with the router, and then you get to add a bare tool to that. I'm hoping because this is new, they just haven't completed making all of those pages, because you should have every combination available so you can add another free tool. And also, I'll try to remember to link down below, Acme Tools has this exact same deal for the exact same price, and they already have it set up so you can select the two tools that you want. So until Home Depot gets their stuff together, maybe that's a better option for you. But real quick, your options for the free item: the 5 amp hour battery, the new M18 inflator, which people seem to really like. It hasn't been out for very long, but I've heard a lot of really good things about it already, and we've seen it in a couple of deals. We just had a Max Tool deal a couple of weeks ago that it was included in. Get the dual bay charger, dual port charger. I guess you get a second sander, wouldn't make much sense. The oscillating tool, the blower, the angle grinder, router, drywall screw gun, reciprocating saw, jigsaw, impact driver, and the Rover LED light. So several things to choose from there. We go back to this main page. For Ryobi, they only have one option. I don't know if they're going to add anything to it or not, but that seems like slim pickings on Ryobi, so maybe it'll be updated, because they get higher profit margins on Ryobi and Rigid, so you'd think they would have more going on with them because they're making more money on it, but so far not. So it's $159 for the hammer drill, the battery charger, and we have 7 tool options there. Got the impact driver, angle grinder, the impact wrench, circular saw, jigsaw, oscillating tool, and reciprocating saw. So a really good deal at $159. It's their HP brushless tools, which is the higher end of Ryobi, and that's another video for another day, but it kind of confuses me all to begin with, because it feels like they're bastardizing their own little hierarchy of tool qualities. But so anyway, DeWalt, we have the 4 and 6 amp hour deal that we talked about earlier. At $3.99, you get one free tool with this 4-tool kit with the 2 amp hour batteries, or their 2-tool option is this 4-tool kit with the 4 amp hour batteries at $5.99. Not as good of a value in my opinion, but here we have an entirely different way of setting it up. So for the Milwaukees, we could select one that was already added, and then we get to select our other. And here they're just making a bunch of product pages with different combinations of 2 tools put together. I don't know 100% if Acme Tools has this same deal. A lot of times we see the same things from different retailers because it's a promotion offered by the brand, and retailers choose whether they're participating or not. But I'll if I find it on Acme, I'll include that one down below too, because it might be easier and you might find a better combination there. For Makita, we have two options. At $199, we have the two 5 amp hour batteries and we get one tool, or at $399, we get the drill and impact driver with two 5 amp hour batteries again. And this one gets a mixture of the two. This is amazing. They can't figure out what they want to do. So here, they're adding the two tools for you. Here, they're going to add the angle grinder and then give you your own option. And then here, oh, jeez. Home Depot, what are you doing? You've been doing this for years. Get it together. Figure out what's going on. Okay, so in this instance, we're getting the angle grinder, but then we can at least look at what else is available. The blower, the inflator, angle grinder, router, circular saw, jigsaw. And last but possibly not least is the rigid options. $169 for a 4 and 6 amp hour battery with the free tool. $269, you get that high torque impact wrench 4 amp hour kit with one tool. And $399, two free select power tools with that 4 tool kit with a 4 and 2 amp hour battery. Let's see what they did for this one. Okay, they're back to selecting one for you and then letting you choose the other. Their system just must not be set up for you to select two tools, I guess. It just... The other way you could probably do it, I'm going to assume, but not do it myself because that's too much effort. If you went to this one and then found the individual bare tool listings for these other tools, I bet you could add all 3 to your cart and the price would adjust. That would be my guess. Wow, they have a lot of options set up for this one. Look at that. It's got to be every combination possible. There's 2 pages. We're at 24. There's 33 total. Well, there you go. Maybe the other pages someday will look like this, so they are correct and have all of the options that we need. So there it is. I will get this page linked down below so you can check it out. They may update it. Hopefully they update some of those to get them more filled out, and this is just like a trial run. I don't know. And I'll look up those Acme tool deals because I know they have at least some of the Milwaukee stuff, and they may have the DeWalt stuff. Obviously, they're not going to have Ryobi or Rigid, and the Makita. So I'll look up those, and they'll be in the description also if I find them to help you guys get this all figured out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.